Hey, what's going on, everybody? Joel Santiago here. Happy Friday. As you guys can see, I am on the Pionex website. This is the new trading bot that we are using, guys, and it's awesome. I'm extremely satisfied with the results after a couple days. We launched this Tuesday. I've been using the bot roughly around, I want to say, Tuesday evening, and the results are satisfactory. Also, for those of you guys that are outside of the United States that sign up today, you guys will be able to get $1,250 of trial funds to use for our dual investment system. And if you guys are unfamiliar with the $1,200 promotion or with the trial funds and how that works exactly, please check out some of the other videos. I posted some videos over the past couple days that explain that in detail. All right, so let's get right into it. As you guys can see, I'm on the website. You can click on trade right here. You can do some manual trading right here, or you can go ahead and you can activate the bots. Now, if you look over in this section right here, it shows you beginner and it shows you pro. If you guys are starting and you don't have any knowledge whatsoever, the bots that we're going to recommend are the Grid Trading Bot or the BTC Moon Bot. Okay, with the Bitcoin price lower than it's been in quite some time, this is an opportunity for you guys to use a bot, and then as the price shoots up over, some weeks, some months, these bots are an alternative to hodling. But if you're using them, just know that this is not something you're going to be making withdrawals on a daily basis. Okay, the bots perform optimally over a long period of time. But again, if you guys have some experience, which I know many of us are coming from using our previous bot provider, you're going to see some of these other bots that you can create. All you do is go and click on create. It's going to ask what you have available to put in there. And you can either go with the artificial strategy. This is automatic parameters that are set immediately when you activate the bot or when you're going to activate the bot. Or you could do manual settings. Okay, and on the manual settings, this is where you could change the lower and the upper price. Remember, with our previous bot provider, the lower and the upper price is the range in which the bot will trade. Okay, so you guys can go ahead and do that if you're familiar with it. If not, I recommend everybody just start if you're using the bots in the pro section, just use the AI settings off the top, from the beginning, and then as we become more familiar with it, more knowledgeable, more confident, then we can go ahead and do some of the other ones. Okay, so as you guys can see, fairly similar to what we were using before. A lot of these interfaces are similar, but I'm going to show you what separates Pionex from the rest. So let's look at my trading bots. All right, as you guys can see from left to right, on this bot section, it'll show you all the bots. As of right now, I got one, but if I had more, they would show up here. You got grid trading, the martingale bot, rebalancing bot, reverse bot, infinity bot, smart bot, trailing, take profit, DCA, TWAP, and then stop limit. Okay, and as you guys can see right here, my pair is LUNC USD, Luna Classic USD. My initial investment was $2,900. And as you guys can see right here, in just a couple days, we're already over 8%, roughly 8%, $225, and it's continuing to go up. Most of the profit came from today, so let's look at it. You click on it, you can see right here to show you more in details, shows the grid profit. So from the bot alone, this is the profit accumulated and generated from just the bot. This additional profit that we see, guys, over here is the increase in LUNC. So as the price of LUNC went up, I was able to see more profit, but it's taking its time to show the chart right here. But it was down. So for a day and a half, the price of LUNC actually went down. And the amazing thing is I didn't have to stay up. I didn't have to monitor the market. The bot chose when to wait, when to buy, and then when the price went up, it sold some of the orders. And if you click on placed orders, it's going to show you guys what's been placed, buying and selling. You look at the transactions. It shows the transactions right here as well. When to be sold. I'm going to scroll down on it. I think it's right here. Let me see. There it is. All right, so you can see the ones that were filled and the ones that are still open. Okay, to be sold, to be sold. You can look at the parameters right here. Again, you see the lower price, the high price, start price, what price we got in at. The grid quantity is 200. For the BTC Moonbot, we actually are allowed 1,000. Okay, but for here we got 200, which is still 20 more grids than what we were given with our previous bot provider. And again, Pinex is free. Profit per grid is, we're looking at 0.21% to 2%. Okay, and then it shows you the LUNC that's being traded per grid, which is a little over 163,000 LUNC. Okay, so far so good. If I wanted to release the profit, it'd be in this section right here. And if I wanted to share, I believe there's, yeah, here it is. Share this. If you guys are seeing the images that I'm posting in the group, this is where they come from. Okay, and as you can see in real time, as the price fluctuates, so does the ROI, return on investment. Awesome. So far, so good. If you guys have any questions, shoot the questions. I'll probably be doing another session or a Zoom session where I'm going to activate another bot. But this is a little bit more easier than what we were using before. I know many of us are new to these bots. Just know that the bots do all the heavy lifting, guys. You just have to pick the right cryptocurrencies. The only time that we lose when trading these bots is when we sell our crypto below the value at which we got it. So when you pick your crypto, have the assumption that you believe that it has a long-term success. You know, even if the price drops a little bit, the bot is good at reading the market in real time, and you know, it can benefit through time. But if you guys are looking to withdraw or generate profits that you can take out in a week or so, it's not going to work for you. You guys might want to consider our premium signals, where we show you guys their short-term signals that are from minutes, hours to days or weeks. That's more short-term, but it's also more risky. But for those of us that have long-term plans with a lot of these cryptos, LUNC in my case, I've seen LUNC drop. I like what I'm seeing behind the scenes and what I see taking place with Binance and Luna Classic. So that's where I'm trading. I believe that over the next few years, we're going to see some huge increases with Luna Classic. And for that reason, I'm using a bot, so that the bot can generate profit when the price goes up, when the price goes down, it can accumulate. And then long term, I'm going to be able to generate more profit, accumulate more Luna Classic using the Grid Bot. All right. Well, that's it for me today, guys. I'll keep you posted on my success over the weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Get started with the bot. You'll see the link in the description. Keep your questions coming and be excited, man. Be excited, because these bots are amazing. And if we take advantage of them now, there's no telling at the potential and the profit that we can see in the coming months. All right, guys. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. God bless. Much success to you all. Bye.